Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the key fob battery in a Ford C-Max. This Slim Smart Key was used from 2013 to present. Okay, so the key to changing this battery is on the back here. So here's a little notch. You can pull this down and this releases this internal valet key. So go ahead and pull that out. And then at the top here, there's kind of 2 points you can get some leverage. Basically what we want to do is be able to separate this backing from the main part of the fob. And so to do that, we can get a little leverage underneath here. And if you have like a small flathead screwdriver, it's kind of handy to, once you have a little bit of separation, you can get in between these two parts here and start to pop this back off. And once you get this top part here, you can kind of pop the rest of it off and it'll come off pretty easily. So don't worry about the circuit board side. But here we've got the battery that we want to change. It's kind of held in by this metal piece here. Make sure to keep this in place. Pop this battery out if you've got like a paper clip or like a small flathead like this. And the internal battery that you'll need is a CR2032 3-volt battery. And just make sure when you put the new one back in on this one, make sure that the positive side is up, the negative side is up towards you. The negative side doesn't have any writing on it. The positive side is the side with the writing, so put that face down. And then just go ahead and pop this back into place. It'll kind of snap back in. Make sure that's all around. Put the valet key back in, and that's it. That's how you change the battery on the Ford C-Max on this smart key fob battery. And that battery there is a CR2032. If you didn't see that, CR2032.